Mastering directions in English. Make a left, right, simplified. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into a practical and everyday language topic that can help you navigate through cities, instructions, and even casual conversations. We're talking about understanding and using the phrases, make a left, and make a right. Whether you're walking, driving, or giving directions, these phrases are essential. So, let's get started and ensure you never take a wrong turn in your English conversations again. When someone tells you to make a left or make a right, they are simply instructing you to turn left or right from your current direction. This can apply to walking, driving, cycling, or any form of movement where a change in direction is possible. It's a fundamental part of giving and receiving directions, ensuring you reach your destination successfully. Make a left means to turn to your left side. Make a right means to turn to your right side. Remember, the direction is always relative to where you're currently facing or moving towards. In giving directions, context is key. The phrases, make a left, or make a right, are often accompanied by landmarks, distances, or other indicators to help the person understand exactly where to turn. For example, make a left at the traffic light, then continue straight for 2 blocks. After you pass the school, make a right, and you'll see the library on your left. Understanding the context helps prevent confusion and ensures that directions are clear and easy to follow. One common mistake learners might make is confusing these phrases with take a left or take a right. While they mean the same thing, make is more commonly used in American English, and take can be more common in British English. However, both are widely understood and accepted. Another point of confusion can arise from not knowing which way is left or right. A simple trick is to remember that your left hand makes an L shape with the thumb and index finger. There you have it. You're now more equipped to understand and use make a left and make a right in English. Whether you're giving directions to a friend or navigating a new city, these phrases will be your best allies. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using them in your daily conversations or while exploring new places. Thank you for joining today's lesson, and happy learning! We hope this video has been helpful and look forward to seeing you navigate your English learning journey with confidence.